everyone, welcome back to CJ's Tech Corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your computer look new and make it as fast as when it was new. All right, let's jump right in. The first one is to clean your computer. You can get some baby wipes or use cleaning sprays. If you are using a cleaning spray, make sure to search on Google if you can use the cleaning spray on each part of the computer before you start cleaning it. For example, can I use the name of the cleaning spray on a keyboard? Can I use the name of the cleaning spray on the fan? I will also link a video on how to clean the inside of your computer in the top right corner right now. The next one is changing the refresh rate as your monitor. Did you just buy a new monitor from the store and the display doesn't look as smooth as it did in the store? Use this option. All you have to do is go to Settings, then Display. Well, first you go to System, then Display, then Advanced Display Settings, then click on the box under Refresh Rate. And if there's more than one option, choose the highest number. If the new number is too overwhelming, choose a different number that's lower. To understand how this works, we first need to look at how any screen works. How a screen works is every time something moves on the display, like a mouse cursor, or when you're typing, what's actually happening is a bunch of pictures are still and they're actually cycling through. So choosing a higher number changes how many times the pictures cycle through each second. The next one is deleting apps or programs that you don't use. This is useful when you are running low on space to put your files on your computer or your computer is slow. On Windows 8 and Windows 10, there are two types of programs: the programs that you download from the internet and the programs that you download from the Microsoft Store app. To uninstall a program from the Microsoft Store, go to the Start menu, then find the app you want to delete. Let's delete Calculator. Then right-click on it. To right-click on a touchpad, click with two fingers. Then click on Install. Before you uninstall, there's going to be a confirmation that says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Then you'll have to click Uninstall again. To uninstall a program from the internet, follow the same steps as apps from the Microsoft Store. If you can't find the program from that you want to uninstall, or you want to install multiple programs faster, or if you're using Windows 7 or below, go to the Control Panel, then go to Programs, then go to Uninstall a Program, and choose a program from this list like Google Chrome, Then click on Install. Only uninstall programs that you know that you downloaded, because uninstalling any program you don't recognize can break your computer, because your computer relies on some of these programs on this list. Like, it probably relies on Intel R chipset device software. The next one is similar to the last one. Deleting old files on your computer. This will help if your computer is slow or you're running out of space to put your files. All you need to do is go to the File Explorer, then locate in some files you want to delete. I recommend going through all your documents, pictures, and files on your desktop that you don't need anymore. Once you find a file that you want to delete, right-click on it, then press delete. After deleting all the files that you wanted to delete, go back to your desktop, then right-click on the recycle bin, then click on empty recycle bin. Sometimes, something that's really helpful is if you go to Settings, System again, Storage, configure storage sensor, run it now, this page will appear where you can delete files in the recycle bin if they've been there over 1 day, or 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. And you can automatically delete files in the downloads folder if they haven't been open more than 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, and 60 days. After choosing the days for these, unless it's never for both, go to this box where it says Run Storage Sense and make sure it's set to every day. The last is Performance Management, which will let you make your computer faster. To do this, go to the Control Panel again. Then go to Hardware and Sound. Then go to Power Options. Then click on High Performance. Favors performance, but may use more energy. So if you're getting high electricity bills, or on your laptop you run out of battery fast, and keep it on balanced. Another bonus that laptops have is if you click on the battery icon, if your computer supports it, you'll see a slider that you can drag all the way up to high performance, and your computer might become faster. Note that some computers like mine won't support it. That's it for today. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, like and subscribe. Don't forget hit the bell icon. See you Thursday on TJ's Tech Corner. Bye.